Welcome back to another adventure. For today's video, we will be exploring the Russell Stover's Candy Factory here at Wildwood, Florida. Let's go inside. They have the seasonal thin candy, 50% off. Oh gosh. Alright, I'm gonna go fix this one and we'll redo it again. Okay, as I was saying, you can see this is like a Christmassy one. Listen to, look, it's a Christmas thin, so they have it for 50% off. This one is $5.99. Actually, the other ones were $5.99, but original price is $11.99. They have the Valentines also. Valentines are 50% off also. But look at all these chocolate. Look at all these chocolate. Hazelnut delight. Maybe if I Raspberry. Good. There's two sides of the store. The first side is the regular store, which they sell regular chocolate and their latest chocolate, also like chocolate covered apples and pretzels, and they even have some jelly beans. And the other side of the store is the fun store, which is like a factory sale stores, and majority of them are 50% off. And the holiday candies too, they sell it for 50% off also. I tried one of their bloopers, which is like the best one, because they sell you this like imperfect chocolate. There's one big bag which is like 3 pounds, and it's $19.99, and if you buy two you get one free one. I got the smaller bag, which is like I think $6.99. I thought it's just like chocolate in there, but actually it's individually packaged. So I actually enjoyed my trip in there, even though I thought this just like, you know, like coming in there with the factory of the chocolate, but still. So that's the end. If you like this, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.